where the old river whispered long ago, before the currents changed their flow. A silent mirror still remains, holding echoes, skies and rains. Ancient waters learned to stay, while the living Maas found another way. Now only breezes know the song that this forgotten place has sung so long. Here the silence speaks in colors, where the morning greets the sky. At the Dode Maasarm by Donderberg, wild and free the spirits fly. Golden light on quiet water, shadows dancing through the trees. Every heartbeat slows forever, carried softly by the breeze. Every ripple tells a story, every tree remembers time. Nature paints without a hurry, in a masterpiece divine. River dunes rise calm and proud, standing far above the clouds. Forests guard this hidden land, shaped by nature's gentle hand, where the swan returns once more, meeting waters from before. Life awakens everywhere in peaceful moments, fresh and rare. Here the silence speaks in colors, where the morning greets the sky. At the Dode Maasarm by Donderberg, wild and free the spirits fly. Golden light on quiet water, shadows dancing through the trees. Every heartbeat slows forever, carried softly by the breeze. Birds arise on silver waters, morning calls across the shore. Every feather tells a story, older than the years before. Reflections dance without a sound, peace is everywhere around. Nature asked for nothing more than open hearts forevermore. Some once called these hills the Olieberg, others knew the Alenberg. Names may fade like distant footprints, yet the beauty still survives. Every season writes a chapter, every sunrise turns the page. Time moves slowly through this valley, leaving wonder every day. Here the silence speaks in colors, where the morning greets the sky. At the Dode Maasarm by Donderberg, dreams and rivers never die. Old Maas waters keep on shining, holding yesterday inside. In this hidden piece of heaven, nature walks with silent pride. When the day becomes a memory and the evening lights grow warm, the Dode Maasarm still keeps her secrets safe beneath the Donderberg, forever flowing, forever